Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Vijay and today I am going to teach you MS Excel 2021 about how to add a spin button and how to add a scroll. As you can see on the screen, when I click here on the up button, you can see the spin button is working, numbers are being added here. And as soon as we click here on the down button, you can see the numbers here are decreasing. Similarly, when we click on the scroll, the numbers here also change. And if we click on decrease, the numbers here also change. So today, we are going to study in detail how we added this spin button and then the scroll button. Before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from today's video, don't forget to like this video because your one like can help this video reach more and more people. So let's start today's lecture. Here I come to sheet number 2 after clicking on the plus sign. And then by scrolling here while holding the control key, I am increasing the zoom. First of all, what you need to do is click on view here, and then I turn off the grid lines so that all the lines disappear here. After that, I click on the cell where I want to add the spin button, and then I need to activate the developer tool from here. So if the developer tool is not enabled for you, just right click on any tab, click on customize the ribbon, and then come here to the developer tool option. As soon as you click here and then click OK, the developer tool will be enabled for you. Now you need to click here. After clicking, we will come to insert here. And first of all, we will talk about the spin button. So you need to come here to this option. See, as soon as we click on the spin button here, your mouse pointer will turn into a plus sign. So as needed, just like we draw an auto shape, you have to draw the button here in the same way. This is how the button will be added for you. You can add it in any document, at any place, on any sheet where you want, just like this. And later you can also resize it like this. Now after that, what you have to do is right click on it and then click on Format Control. As soon as you click on Format Control, a Format Control box will open in front of you. You have to click on the Control tab, and here we will type the current value. For example, let's set the current value to 1 here, and then we type the minimum value. The minimum value here is 0, so let's leave it as 0. Then what should be the maximum number here? Here 30,000 has been added, but the number I want to add is up to 600. If we want to change the increment, meaning if you want each number to increase by 1 point, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on in order, then you will type 1 here as well. But if you want each increment to be 10, meaning it should go like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on, then for now I am typing 1 here. After that, you set the cell link, meaning which cell you want to link this to. For example, if you have some data written in column C or in column D, you just need to click on the cell like this, and then after that, you have to click OK. Now see, the number 1 has appeared here, and as we keep clicking here, first click outside, and then as you keep clicking here, the number will keep changing. If you want to format this, then you need to select these cells like this, right next to each other. After that, you need to go to the Home tab, click on Merge Cells, center it, and increase the font size. Then set it to all borders or outside border, and if you want to fill it with color or anything like that, you can do that as well. And as you keep clicking here, the value will keep increasing like this, and if you click here, the value will decrease. In this way, you can add a spin button. If you want to add a scroll bar here, what should we do for that? Again, go to the developer tool and then click on insert. After that, you need to click here. See, when you bring the cursor here, it says scroll bar from control buttons at the top, click here. After clicking, you can add a vertical scroll bar, and then you can also add a horizontal one as needed. So I added the scroll bar here like this. Then what did I do after that? We're following the same method. You will right click on this. If you accidentally clicked somewhere else, you can still right click on this to activate it again. So we will click on Format Control. After that, you need to click on the control again. Here, let's set the current value to 0 and then set the minimum value. Actually, let's set the current value here to 1 and then set the minimum value to 0. After that, the maximum value is 100, but you can increase it to 200, 500, or even 600 as needed. You can also set the incremental value here as you wish. For now, I want to keep it at 1, and after that, the page change value here is 10. So let's leave it at 10. Click here, and then after that, click on this cell, and then we click OK here. After that, see what happens. When you click outside and then click again on this, on increase, you'll see the numbers keep increasing. And if you click here, the numbers will decrease. So by clicking in the middle here, you can also increase or decrease the numbers. So let's click on this. After clicking, if we want to apply the same formatting here, we'll click on this as well. Go to Home and click on Format Painter. As soon as you click on it, you'll see that the same formatting has been applied here. You can right click on this and adjust it using the keyboard, and by clicking here, you can also change the color. As soon as I clicked, you can see that the formatting is working like this. So this was today's lecture in which I taught you how to add a spin button and besides that how to add a scroll bar. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.